Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy two types of chicken marination recipes. So one is malai tikka and is tandoori tikka. Alright, so I know it's a busy working and school nights lately, and we should have something handy and at least have done in our meal preps, right? So I'm making chicken malai tikka and chicken tikka masala recipes. Let's get started with the ingredients and let's see how to marinate them. Alright, so today I'm going to show you two types of chicken marination. So basic marination is chicken breast, wash and cut like this size, salt, ginger garlic paste and yogurt. And here I have malai tikka chicken, so I've added chicken cubes, ginger garlic paste, salt, yogurt, green chilies, black pepper. I've also added nutmeg powder and cardamom powder and some heavy cream. So let's marinate this. Alright, so after 15 minutes or so, I've also added half a lemon juice and some garam masala and chaat masala powder. Alright, so this is the last step. We have a burnt coal, and then I'm just going to add some ghee. Keep it covered, give a smoke. Okay, so in the second type of marination, I have added boneless chicken, salt, 1 tablespoon of oil, yogurt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, chaat masala, kasuri methi, tikka masala, garam masala, and some lemon juice with some yogurt. So mix this well and keep it marinated for about 1 to 2 hours. Alright, so this is how it looks. Keep it marinated for at least 1 hour in the refrigerator or keep it overnight. That would be awesome. And this is my chicken tikka malai kebab, and these are my chicken tikka masala kebab. So happy grilling. I hope you like this recipe, quick and easy, and it's good for meal planning as well. So just keep it marinated and cook it as and when it's needed. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. And hey, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And thank you for all my subscribers. And hey, if you like, add some onion, bell peppers, zucchini to the chicken. So looks like this after you grill it on the pan or on the griller. Thank you so much once again. See you next time and take care and goodbye.